In one of the most remote yet culturally diverse countries on the planet, cricket thrives. Against a backdrop of poverty and the social problems that creates, the rapid growth of the game has been astonishing.
When I first came to PNG, we had a cement wicket out in the ground behind us. The grass was up to my waist level. Someone said there's a wicket out there, and I was pretty coy about walking out in case I got bitten by a snake.
But times have changed in Papua New Guinea. Facilities have improved dramatically, and they would prove the ideal hosts for the Pepsi ICC East Asia Pacific Division 1 tournament. 5 teams from the region competing with the ultimate goal, a place in the ICC World T20. The likes of Vanuatu warmed to the task with impressive performances throughout. They would reach the final by virtue of net run rate. But for other nations like Japan, winless throughout, the competition would provide much-needed experience.
It's been 3 years since the new funding came in place, and I think this is really taking, countries like PNG have already shown huge improvements, and will be next to come.
Fiji and Samoa would narrowly miss out on a place in the final, but showed the depth of talent and techniques learned from watching their heroes.
I always look forward to seeing Ricky Ponting play. That's why I follow him around. Wherever he plays, goes to television, I always watch him play. And I want to be Ricky Ponting.
Vanuatu were in relaxed mood ahead of the final against PNG. But the hosts had a 100% record in the competition and had the backing of some fervent and colourful home support. Batting first, the home side posted an imposing 195 for 5. For Vanuatu, that would be a bridge too far. A 58-run victory for PNG, satisfying the Amini Park crowd as the players and supporters, along with the rest of the country, prepared for one big party.
These boys have come a long way. For me, we're starting to grow. They're going from boys into young men, and we picked a fairly young squad at the start, and we probably got rid of a few of the older boys and made them coaches and staff at Cricket PNG, which they've adapted to that role very, very well. The Peter Moiters, the John Ovius, and now we've got this young group that we've had to bring from literally the village into an international team, and they're starting to act like an international team now. So that's the scary part.
Yeah, this tournament has put PNG cricket to another level with the popularity in the country, with the boys doing well. It has put the sport to one of the main spots in the country, with a lot of people coming and watching it and reading about the news about the boys doing well. So it has really helped cricket, develop in this country. Yeah.
The World T20 qualifier awaits them. But whatever the outcome, this tournament will be long remembered by the people of Papua New Guinea.